Irene takes us along for her morning rounds.
Out to do my morning check in the greenhouse this morning. I just watered my little tray here, nothing yet, but these veggies that I transplanted the other day are doing great. The pak choi, the lettuce, look at these lettuce, they're just going crazy. They're so happy. Doing super good here. I've got a couple of vortex beans up, one Gita bean. Now if you remember from our previous video, these are the pole beans that we're going to use in the greenhouse as a giant experiment. Black-seeded Simpson. My inspiration for this was Spring Hill Farms does a lettuce basket that they sell to customers, and I'm like, okay, I'm not selling it to customers, but why can't we have a lettuce basket ourselves? We have desert zucchini. Something random is coming up in the other desert, so that's probably just a weed seed. And we do have a, what looks like a grass seed that has come up in the red noodle. That's interesting. Okay, we have a Defiant up. That's a tomato. And we have an Amanda orange that is up. So that's very cool. This is Hannah's Choice, which is cantaloupe. Junja is a type of zucchini. And then here's our cucumbers that I transplanted the other day. Now, there are a couple of wilty leaves on here, and that is because they were damaged before I transplanted them. They got stuck to the plastic dome, and it's like a sunburn effect on them. I've had that happen before, so I try and be careful, but I was running a day behind, and that was all it took. But anyway, everybody else is looking awesome. They're really starting to run now. It's time to pot them up pretty quickly. I just have to decide what I'm going to do. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have cabbages, some more Swiss chard. These are, again, the transplants, looking great. Beets. The ones that are up in here are the ones that had already come up. And these are radishes. So they are looking very good. A little leggier than I would prefer, but I'm concerned about taking off the cover yet. We have a shade cloth that we sometimes take off at this end. These will be fine though. Let's take a look at the tomatoes. Let's see. We're getting lots and lots of new growth on these. Dutch bucket tomatoes in the hydroponic system. You can see all the flowers. So now it's just a matter of waiting to see if they'll set fruit. There's that better boy that has come back from the root, and it's doing awesome. And there's our Kellogg's that's come back from the root, but the top is also resprouting, so we're starting to get this sort of stuff going on just down here. So I give it a little bit more, and then I'm going to probably top off a bunch of this crummy old top. Amanda orange has come back beautifully along the stem, which is something I did not expect at all, but it has. So we'll see. I don't think we're getting anything. Now, I'm not seeing anything high up on this one, but down here. So fairly soon I'll chop the tops out of those. This is a Posano, and it's got a new sprout down here too. And the top is doing fine here. This other section of the top, not as good. And unfortunately, the Granadero is toast. So that will be replaced when we put in new tomatoes and other things. But this is part of what I do every morning. I come out, I check the greenhouse,